if they don't conduct independent inquiry now, meaning I will ask the Prime Minister to conduct independent inquiry. I am sure he will do it. Please remember that this whole illegality that is going on and the scales of illegality, everybody is seeing it. That's the fact. So then, at the same time, this illegality is not confined within the boundaries of the state of Meghalaya. It goes beyond the boundaries of Meghalaya. Therefore, Government of India has to intervene. I have seen a news article carried by Bangladesh media, one of the Bengali daily of Bangladesh. I don't know whether you have the copy. I have sent it to some of our friends from media. What they have carried was figure after figure as to how much loss is being incurred by Bangladesh government due to this illegality that is taking place across the international border in respect of export of limestone, in terms of export of coal, and in respect of export of other minerals. You know, this is something which is an eye-opener for Government of India. That means it is not only the state government who is losing, it's the nation as a whole which is losing, number one. And number two is, which is again very scary, is that they are trying to promote the culture of corruption. Culture of corruption, which was something where people of Meghalaya used to say, big no-no, you see. Meghalaya has always fought against corruption. Whether it is in case of any allegation, just allegation, even without proof, people have wanted answers, transparency. Today, this is the time when the government doesn't have any transparency. I heard the Deputy CM saying, why people are talking only about coal? Didn't they talk about coal only during election? Before election? What did they promise to the people? That they will obviously lift a ban from an honorable NGT, because they didn't even know how they will do, but they lied to the people. But at the same time, after lying to the people, they have somehow encouraged people to engage in illegal mining. And this is happening. And I am telling it because there are enough evidence to substantiate these things. And this evidence, whenever time comes, will be placed before the authorities concerned.